Welcome to the KWHotel Help Center. In this tutorial, you will learn the following: how to create room groups, how to create rooms, how to assign rooms into room groups. Click the Rooms module. Select the Room Groups tab. Click Add. Insert your room group name. Pick the room group type from the list. Type the number of beds. Hit Apply to save your settings. Repeat this step for every room group you intend to use. Now make your way to the Rooms module. Click Add. Insert your room name. Choose the room group from the list. Push the Save button. Congratulations, you have successfully prepared your room base.